Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to give you a much needed update about some big changes within Thinkific's dashboard and homepage. So if you are new or looking to use Thinkific in your online business, check out my playlist video up here and let me know if you have questions, comments, and feedback. As a Thinkific expert, I'm here to serve you and to educate and to provide resources to help you grow in your online creator business. So first of all, the one thing that has changed is Thinkific has made some massive and much needed upgrades and improvements to the UX and UI. Now you're probably like, well, what is all that jargon and what does that mean for me? So as a user, if you're looking to get started with Thinkific, these changes will help you navigate the dashboard and platform much quicker and much faster and easier based on the new configurations. So they've streamlined the layout so that you can access not only your homepage, but also specifically access your different websites and landing pages all within different tabs. The idea is they really wanted to make it easier to get started and less confusing. So follow along and check out my demo on where these changes, and check out this demo on what these changes mean for you, how they're going to make it easier for you, and how to understand the new changes and where everything is. So let's get started. Of the new Thinkific dashboard and homepage layout. Now let's give you an overview and demo of the new Thinkific dashboard and homepage. So log in and follow along. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to give you a long overdue update of all the changes within Thinkific and help you to decide whether Thinkific is still the platform that you would be using to launch your online course business. So now let's see how this all looks and what the changes mean, where everything lives, so that you can get comfortable. If you are already on Thinkific or if you're looking to use Thinkific, I do have an affiliate link which gives you a month free on the Grow or Start plan. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can send me an email. You can leave a comment on this video. I am a certified Thinkific expert. I really specialize in systems and course design and software. So feel free to reach out and ask questions if you. I am a certified Thinkific expert. I specialize in course design and systems. So I'd love to help you. And I'd love to help you if you are in need of some guidance in your business. So now let's take a look at how this new dashboard and homepage looks. First of all, in our homepage, some slight changes, but not too many changes. They give you an overview of how the past 30 days look, how much revenue you've run, how many new leads. And leads is specifically applicable if you are using the Thinkific lead generation form. And then how many new signups you've had. The idea behind this is to give you an overview of how your business is doing so you can get a high-level summary and decide to use this information to guide the direction of your business. And then they show you recently edited products. This idea here, they want to just show you all the recent courses that you've been working on, or digital products or webinars, so that you can go back on a very quick level to the key products that you have been working on, rather than going through products and looking for the individual product via a webinar or coaching or a course or digital download. And then after this high-level overview, let's get into this new navigation. So on the left, you see homepage. Homepage is your general homepage. Products refers to all the different digital products that you could sell in your business. So not just courses, but also communities, digital downloads, so like templates and PDFs, coaching and webinar replays, memberships, and your video library. This is where you will manage the entire process. And then channels is where you will handle all the aspects relating. Channels is where you will navigate to all the design aspects of your business. So websites, your theme library, categories, the mobile app, and widget as well. Now you're probably wondering, what's the difference between landing pages and website? Well, website really refers to the entire Thinkific website, from your default pages, custom pages, as well as product pages. And here you can see that this shows you all the different pages, so custom pages, product pages, and then default pages. Now, if you only wanted to access product pages, then you can go into product pages. If you wanted to make changes to your student dashboard, then this is where you go into the student dashboard default pages. And then if you are creating any custom pages, you click on custom pages and look for the specific page that you are going to tweak and edit. Now, how is all this different than landing pages? Landing pages specifically is designed for those who want to make changes to their pages that they have been using the AI landing page builder within Thinkific. And so I have not been using it on this account because I have been creating them for a long time without the AI, way before AI assisted landing pages was here. So I don't have anything here for the moment, but if you are looking for any AI created landing pages, they will all live here because that's how they want to differentiate between the classic editor and the AI editor. Now, marketing is where all your marketing efforts and tools and channels are all under here. So now you can use, now under marketing, this is where you will see leads. If you're using Thinkific for funnels, you can set up a Thinkific funnel, affiliates, and any email automation, which is somewhat new, but also email automation is somewhat new. This is where you will manage all your emails if you're using Thinkific for email marketing, and it'll help you build your flow, set up your email. As you can see, I've demoed a little bit, and I'll link to a video up here where you can check out where I talked about the email automation within Thinkific. And then as always, please feel free to give Thinkific any feedback about how this email marketing tool is working for you or not. Now let's go to sales. This is where all the sales of your business will live under here. Order bumps, coupons, orders, transactions, payouts, revenue partners, disputes, anything related to business and revenue will be in sales here. And then as always, users hasn't changed too much. This is where you will manage all the users related to either groups or individual users. This is where you can track discussions, notification emails, student progress, and then also quiz and survey results. Now, I think it's a little confusing that quiz and survey are under users, but the reason this makes sense is because anything related to how students perform on these quizzes or surveys should go under users. I don't have any reviews because I'm on a Sandbox account, but if someone leaves a course review, that's where you will see this here. You can see it by course if you've enabled it or not enabled it. And then lastly, I think this is key, is all the analytics related to your business. So how are you doing in terms of marketing, how you're doing in terms of enrollment and sales, engagement. And the cool thing is now you can generate custom reports, and this will be helpful because you may want to have someone on your team look at your stats and review everything to see where your business is going, how your business is doing, and what you need to take your business in the direction that you'd like to take it. And so I hope this analytics is new, but it'll be really useful to track performance. You can use this for specific B2B reports. So if you are doing a lot of enterprise and B2B selling, you can generate learner reports that are customized to that specific group. You can share and export that so that you're not manually generating and manually doing this in Excel. And then as always, account hasn't changed. Account is really your account management, integrations. This is where anything related to the Thinkific App Store will be in here. So let's just say you integrate ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, everything will live in here. Especially if you use any super power-ups, you will see all of that as well. And then as always, they'll feature any new integrations such as other email marketing or bookkeeping to help you in your business. For example, if you use QuickBooks, this is great because once you integrate your QuickBooks account with Thinkific, all the sales data will get imported and funneled into QuickBooks so that whoever is your bookkeeper can track how things are doing for you. And as always, settings doesn't change either. Settings is where you manage anything related to your Thinkific dashboard settings. So site details, site emails, site URL, SSL certificate, any kind of admin management related tasks such as emails and who's the reply to email versus your support email. And then as always, any links if you're using a custom domain. And then one of the things that's really important is to decide whether you use if you continue to, one of the things that's important in the settings is to decide whether you'll continue to use the classic editor versus the AI powered landing page editor. And so I'm going to stick with the classic editor, but feel free to check out the AI content landing page builder because it is helpful. And if you're short on time and you're trying to build something quick and scrappy, then AI is really a time savings and really helps you to get off the ground. So I hope this overview and demo of this new Thinkific homepage dashboard is really helpful. Let me know if you have questions, comments, and or feedback. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.